Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix it looks like this part of your site isn't working right now on Chase. Fix 1. Clear browser cache. For Google Chrome, press Ctrl plus H, click delete browsing history, then check cookies and cached images and set the time range to all time and click clear data. For Mozilla Firefox, open about config, then search for network.http.send referrer header and ensure its integer value is set to 2, the default. For Apple Safari, click Safari in the top menu bar and select Clear History. Change the drop-down to All History and confirm. For Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete, select Cookies and Cached Data, then set the time frame to all time and click Clear Now. For Android, Android app, open settings, then go to apps, now find Chase and select storage and then tap on clear cache. For Android Chrome, open settings, then go to apps, then go to Chrome and select storage, then tap on clear cache. For iOS, you cannot clear cache on iOS, instead uninstall and reinstall the app. Fix 2. Uninstall and reinstall the app. App update. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, look up Chase Mobile and tap Update. Clean reinstall. Long press the Chase app icon, uninstall and restart your phone and reinstall the application. Fix 3. Using incognito slash private window. Incognito mode. Open a private window, Control plus Shift plus N or Command plus Shift plus N to bypass corrupted cookies. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.